Good morning, another beautiful morning in Goa. I'm sure you can hear the birds chirping at the back. It's beautiful, and see these shoe flowers. Amazing, they're all in my garden. It's such an amazing feeling to see them early in the morning, the bright sun over them. They're so big. Look at the birds singing, and a lot of you can see those flowers, and there are these lovely small yellow flowers, beautiful. And these beautiful plants. I think the birds calling to me. Nice grass. And that's the love apple tree. So when it blooms, I shall show it to you. Well, this shoe flower is also beautiful. I don't know. That's there. It's not yet bloomed, but there are many. You can see around. And this is beautiful and unique. Check this out here. Wow. Look at the shape and the design. It's like a bowl. This is a different one. Bloomed a little. Amazing.